Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you my bike I'm going to use for Réunion Island. Fork 34, the float, with the mash guard, mash, and with my production privé stamp and handlebar. After, I'm going to use 29er because big wheel, where I'm going to put my PANARACER rampage Fonda on. Yes, I'm going to reuse my seat for my little bubbles. His name is Dirty, like me. And here we go. This is the bike for Réunion Island. I hope you enjoy the show. And yeah, and this is my kit. This is my pants. And this extra means we'll let you know later. And this is my new mechanic for production privé. He helped me to fix the bike and cut the handlebar to the right size. Yeah, you know, because a lot of tree in Réunion Island.
Yes, so take care.
So be careful the tree across the road. And yeah, let's take a picture. Hey, let's take a picture. And this is my new camera. Hey, whoa, one picture, one more. Okay. Auf Wiedersehen.